back to my channel. Today I have an Aldi's haul, and make sure you stick around to the end because I have a quick and easy and cheap shrimp recipe for you guys. For quick and easy dinner during inflation, you can still eat shrimp for cheap. So stick around for that recipe. From Aldi's this week, I think we spent $140, so it wasn't too bad. So we got a gallon of milk. For Valentine's Day, I'm going to be making some chocolate covered strawberries. So I needed strawberries. We got a dozen eggs. Believe it or not, these eggs were $4.49. That's still pretty expensive for Aldi's, but compared to regular grocery stores, $4.49 isn't too bad. We got our oven roasted turkey breast, lunch meat, and we got 2 packs of that because we go through it really quick, and provolone for sandwiches for the week. Then, because it's the romantic week, I got some Happy Farms port wine spreadable cheese. This cheese is delicious with the whole, it's called woven whole wheat crackers, but they're the off-brand of Triscuits. Triscuits are my favorite. So, and these taste just like a Triscuit. So I got those together, and then to make like the charcuterie, little romantic charcuterie, you know, nice. We got olives. My husband is obsessed with these fruit grain bars. He likes the mixed berry and the strawberry. We've been eating these up, so I got 2 this week, the instant oatmeal variety packs. They come with 2 maple brown sugar, 2 apple cinnamon, 2 cinnamon and spice, 2 peaches and cream, and 2 strawberries and cream. My daughter and I go through a box of this in like 3 days, so I got 2 this week. I got her cereal, which is like Captain Crunch knockoff. My husband's sodas for the week. And I need mild cheddar because the day that I'm filming this is Super Bowl Sunday, and we're going to my mom's today for Super Bowl Sunday, and I am making chicken, give me a minute, what do they call this? What do they call this? It's like a chicken dip. I don't know, I have to think about it. Buffalo chicken dip, I think is what they call it. Buffalo chicken dip. So I needed mild shredder, and I'm going to grab some stuff from behind me. Oh, here's the other fruit bars, the strawberries. Those are his favorite. The multi-flavored and the strawberry. He loves those. He takes them every day to work. And then I thought, since it's going to get cold this weekend, I should have a couple of these in here. I got the Panera broccoli and cheddar cheese soup. It's supposed to be really, really good, and it's Panera. I should have a few of those in here. Here it is. Here's the other one. I got some lettuce for our sandwiches. Here's the other olives. I got black and green for the charcuterie, for the charcut, as they call them. Oh, here is the big thing of ranch dressing, because you need ranch dressing, mild cheddar, canned chicken, cream cheese, and hot sauce to make this buffalo chicken dip. And then you get the scoop chips. That's what I'm making today to take to the Super Bowl party. So I have a couple cans of cream of chicken soup that I'm going to be doing a chicken recipe this week with broccoli. So it's like chicken and noodles and cream of chicken soup, broccoli. It's supposed to be really good. I've been on Pinterest a lot. Here's the cream cheese for that. Oh, and then I'm going to top it with bacon bits when I'm done with the, what is it? Is it buffalo chicken dip? I think that's what it's called. I can't remember, but I'm going to top bars with bacon. Also for our charcuterie board for the romantic week, I got spreadable cheese. It's garlic and herb. These are so good on these Triscuits. My husband likes that. I like the port wine. And I'll show you. I got these hard salamis. They're perfectly round. You put one of these hard salamis on with the spreadable cheese. It's so yummy, guys. So yummy. I got some cheese and garlic croutons for our salads this week. Feta. And this grilled chicken breast strips with rib meat. Delicious. So when I make my chicken salads, I put this, some of this lettuce, and feta. So good. So that's one of my favorite salads during the week. I got boneless, skinless chicken breast for that chicken recipe. Italian dressing for our salads, which I will save some of the black olives and green olives for salads. Here is the canned chicken. I got 3 cans. I think that'll be enough to do the buffalo chicken dip. I got 2 pounds of Berg for this week for meals. And here is my other can of cream and chicken. So, during inflation, $140 some isn't too bad, and I have a romantic dinner for here, chicken dinner, I even have Super Bowl snack, breakfasts, chocolate covered strawberries. Like, we're doing pretty good. All these is not too bad, and like I said, I only paid $4 something for my eggs. So, that's my grocery haul. Make sure you stay tuned for this awesome, quick, and easy, but delicious recipe with shrimp. Who thinks you can eat shrimp during, like, you know, inflation and recession? You can, especially with this recipe. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, lovies, this is what you'll need for this easy dinner. You will need, of course, shrimp, butter, garlic, these pasta that you can get from Aldi's. They're so good. They're filled with cheese, broccoli, a cucumber, olives, an Italian dressing. And it's going to be like a salad on the side, so whatever you kind of like in your pasta salad. We like cucumbers, black olives, and green broccoli. It's so yummy. So after I get my cucumber chopped, get my olives in, and I get my broccoli steamed, of course I will have my pasta boiling behind me in a pot. My daughter's being silly there. And while the pasta is boiling, I got butter, which is a whole stick of butter in a frying pan melting, because that is what you're going to saute your shrimp in. So I got deveined and peeled shrimp with the tails off. I put 1 stick of butter, salt, pepper, and good 2 like heaping spoonfuls of garlic, and saute that. You make your salad, you put the Italian dressing on that, add some croutons, bacon bits, whatever you like, and you mix it all up, and you have this delicious, like really buttery, garlicky shrimp that you add onto the side, and then you got a beautiful Italian pasta salad for your side that has vegetables and all the goodies in it. And I'm telling you, this was such a cheap meal, but it was delicious, and I felt like I was eating fancy. You have to try it. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Look, there's my broom in the distance. And here's the egg. They're almost identical lined up. Wow. Look, if you hold my camera like this, the broom and the egg are almost identically lined up.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? It has something to do with the gravitational pull today. Look at this. I got an egg to balance on my table, and my broom is standing straight up in the air back there. This is crazy.
That's crazy.
Look, look. Isn't that cool?
That's insane. I have. Look,
guys, I did it!
Oh my Lord!
The broom challenge. Look, no wires, no strings.
Wow. Stuart, your past is not even gonna fall.
No. It's the broom challenge.
What? Now you should do that tomorrow and see if your broom falls.
Falls. We tried to do it in the kitchen and it wouldn't work. It has to be in a certain, like you have to catch it. You'll feel it. It's really weird. When I did this in other places in the house, it didn't feel like that. But I get it in a certain spot, it feels different.
Huh. Now you're going to show us the egg.
And guys, my broom is angled at the bottom.
Right.
So it's even leaning, but it's standing up straight. It's leaning, but it's standing.
Oh my gosh.
Because the bottom of my broom is angled.
Isn't that crazy?
Amazing. I need to take a picture of this.
Is this crazy, guys?
Yeah, I have to put this on my Instagram.
Okay, I'm going to try to do an egg next.
Okay, wait.
Oh god.
Why? I want you to see, like, what it feels like. Like, this is not normal. This is, like, not what eggs do. Look at that. It's perfect.
Did anybody else do an egg?
I'm sure. Look at that. I cannot believe that. Look at that. That's crazy.
Stand up an egg on.
I am ready to do balancing rocks.